Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know the vibes. I'm finally back after months of being offline. I don't mean offline, but offline from YouTube. Like yeah, I went to church. I met someone who said they enjoyed my videos, and the person asked me why I haven't been posting and stuff like that. So then I decided to make a video with him like soon. So I'm going to clip that video so she sees herself. Hi guys, I met a fan. She said she likes my videos. Come say hi. Hey. Yes. Guys, we're at the Simon. Come up, pieza. Tomorrow we're coming to plant. Oh my gosh. We're waking up at 6. This is a place. Simon Muchukwach, where the yes, skin is giving. We're creating a fence. Yaka. Move, baby girl. The struggle is real. Photo on the phone.
The farmers. Yes. Hello. No parking charges here. Very good. Thank you.
Pull center.
Okay, I'll pull.
Pull it.
Yaka.
Oh, what a chango boy. My dirty.
Yo.
Exactly. Hi man. Hey, unpredictable. Quite. Kawa TikTok.
Working hard. Chakulima tuko. Don't work, you don't eat.
You don't work, you don't eat.
Culture. Working.
Ciao. Unyam now.
Within some minutes, everything out. Clear.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Kalamo. What are you doing?
I'm washing my hands, bro. I don't know where I got.
Can you please tell us what are we doing?
Making a fence.
Why?
For people not to steal and cattle not to eat.
Still what?
Sugar cane, corn. Yeah.
When are you coming to plant?
Tomorrow.
Are you also going to plant or just coming to watch?
I'm coming to plant.
So what time do you normally wake up to and plant?
Maybe around 7.
Really?
Yes.
Why 7?
To finish early.
Are there no worms in there?
There. Yeah. Huh? There. And I'm just washing my hands.
That side, just take it behind where there are bushes. Huh?
Hey, I need to go to wood. Ito pang record boy. Oh, there's too much water. sliding.
Oh my gosh.
Man, pull.
My face. Oh my Jesus.
Oh, I just jump at a manga. Man, and I'm fine.
Shit.
Huh? Let me record at the back.
Oh, mucha pangira so.
Yo. And big shit, man. And big shit.
Look, Masole.
No, it's okay. Ha.
Wait. We'll end the video here. Not the video. This part here. Continue when we are planting. Whatever. Morning, guys. It's the next day. It's 5:30. I'm still sleeping. We're here at the field. We come and do the do. So yeah, and it's cold. Yeah, 5 o'clock. It's already light here. I'm wearing this pink shirt with this black tight. We follow the cows behind or something. Righty. So we are just throwing, then
167. That's fine then. Do it.
I'm hungry. Chichi, a heap of sand.
Ya bagi geografinya.
Whatever. Hier, wacht eens.
Mana vika mapa?
Ya cae. Come and eat. Yeah. Yeah. Current situation, and look at the rope they're trying to use to obviously break, but let us see. Damn. Danger. Someone is running home to a gate. Clemo is angry. Why are you angry, darling? So yeah, waiting for the rope. Let me pull the car. Guys, it's just 8 o'clock. Drained, sleepy, tired.
Mattress.
Mana where mati?
The rope is too long, yeah? Oh, rat. Yeah, the guy's stuck. I'm sitting on the ground, guys. Wiki!
If come the end of this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications to get notified when I post a new video. From me and my family, we are out.